Hello everyone, let's see how we can use Clubhouse application. So I hope that you already have created account in the Clubhouse application, and now let's see how you can use it and why you should use it. So what happened in the Clubhouse application is that you can talk directly to the speakers, like someone is conversing with each other, and then you can just drop in and listen to them. You can raise your hand and you can also speak in that community. So it's a very good software to connect with people live. Now let's see how to use it properly. So whenever you will open the Clubhouse application, the first thing that you will see are these rooms. The section you can see here are rooms in which people are talking live right now. If you will click on any of the room right now, you can listen to the people what they are talking about. So let's click on the Music Chill Vibes Joe Club room. If I will click on this room, I can instantly see or listen what is happening there. So let's go there. In these rooms, people can communicate with each other, discuss about something, or even share their jokes, their life stories, or as you can see, some people are using rooms also to sing a song and mend the community around the song. So this is how it goes. There is a button called Start a Room. If you will click on this Start a Room button, you have three kind of options. The first option is Open. If you will click on the first option, Open, and then after that you click on Let's Go, what will happen? It will create a room which will be open for everyone and anyone can join it. The second type of option here is Social. So the social group are only for the people you follow. And third option is Closed Group, Closed Room. Now the closed room is only for the people you want to talk about. For example, you only want to talk to one single person you are connected with, and you two want to talk with each other only. So you can use this room, and there is also an option called Add a Topic. By using it, you can add a topic to your chat. For example, if you are going to click on Open, you need to click on Add a Topic to add a topic. Let's see. As you can see, there is an example, Raising Wolves, good idea. Okay, you can name your rooms like everyone is doing in the Clubhouse. After setting the topic, you can simply click on Let's Go. Now, let's see another options of Clubhouse. So as you can see, you have a search icon in the left corner. As you can see, you have a search icon on the left corner. Just click on it. And now you can search for it anything you want. For example, if you want to search for a person, you can easily search it by typing their name. So I'm going to click on it and type this. As you can see, I can see a profile here. If you will click on this profile, you can see how many followers the person has, how many person he is following right now, or you can also see their bio. You will be able to click on the Twitter and Instagram link if they are connected into. We will get into that later, that how you can do it also. Let's click on back again. And you can also see there is a club option available. If you will click on this club option, you will see all the related options, all the related clubs that are available related to your keyword that you're searching. Let's change it to motivation or tech. As you can see, there are a lot of people related to the tech keyword. If you will click on clubs, you can see the clubs related to the tech. So this is how it works. You can click on any clubs you want And now you can follow this. After that you can see rooms related to this new girls roasting tech guys group. So this is how it works. You also have the ability to share this group with others so that they can also join. Let's click on back. Again back. As you can see, there is a 9 dot icon. I need to click on that so that I can see the features. If you will click on this feature, you will see that how many people are connected with you, and you can easily connect with them so that you can talk with each other, or you can also invite each other into other rooms. Let's see how you can do that. To invite a participant in the room, you need to simply go to the room. After going to room, you can see a plus icon there. If you will click on this plus icon, you will be able to invite the person who are connected with you. Let's go back again. As you can see, the club can also be run in background. So you no need to open the application all the time. You can do your all stuff, which is a very good feature. I like it. Now let's see the top bar again. The top bar with the search icon has 4 more icons. The first icon is for the invites. If you will click on it, you will get some invites. Like in Clubhouse, you have the ability to invite 5 people you want. Let's go back again. And let's move to the second icon. You can easily see the upcoming events or room which are going to start. You can simply click on the bell icon so that whenever it is going to start, you get a notification. Or you can also click on this plus icon where you can start your own event by adding up the date, time, and add a co-host and guest also. Click cancel again. If you will click on this upcoming for you icon, you will also get the option my events. So in case if you have created an event, you can simply click on this my event option and you can see the event you have created, and you will be able to enter on that event. For now, I don't have any event activated now, and now you know that how you can do it. Let's click back again and now move to the third icon, which is the bell icon, and it is for notification. As you can see, there are quite a few notifications available that you can reply to. And as you can see, there is a room in background going on. Click on the room here. There is another option available, which is the mic icon. Now this mic icon is only available for the people who are member in this group. So for example, if I want to talk to someone in this group, if I want my voice to reach to that person, I need to unmute myself. And I have the ability because I am the member of this group. But if you are not, you need to raise the hand and they should join you as a speaker. They should invite you as a speaker, and then you can talk to other people. So let's leave this room quietly and let me show you that how you can raise the hand. Let's try to join a group which you did not visit before. Let's scroll. And let's click on the how to be great public speaker featuring Nisha Sharma. Let's click on this. And as you can see, now I have the raise hand feature in the bottom line of my notification and plus icon. If you will click on this, you have 2 kind of options, which is never mind and raise hand. You need to click on raise hand, and what will happen after that, you will get invited by the Neha Sharma to join as a speaker, or you can simply click on maybe later. I'm going to click on join as speaker so that I can join as speaker. See, so now I have mic option available, and after that you can simply leave quietly, and whenever you will visit this group, you can easily talk with each other because you are invited. Okay, so let's leave quietly. So this is how you can interact with the Clubhouse clubs. Now let's go to the 4th option available on the top. So it is a profile icon. If you will click on this, you can see your profile. Here you can see your username, followers, the people you are following, your bio, your Twitter and Instagram which is connected to each other. You can also see there is a credit of Kamalpreet Singh who invited this person in the clubhouse. You can simply click on this plus icon to create a room, but this option is only available for the people who are most active in the clubhouse application. So whenever you cross that path, you can create a club. So if you want to make a club, you can simply click on this plus icon, but it is only available for the people who are most active in the clubhouse application. So maybe you will not get this option available here. If you want to edit anything, you can just simply click on this option. For example, if I want to see my followers, I can click on it. And if I want to see my people which I am following, I just need to click on this. Or I can simply click on this Twitter icon so that I can visit my Twitter profile. Or I can click on the Instagram to see my Instagram profile. Now let's see how you can add Twitter and Instagram in here. To do that, you just need to click on the settings icon over here. Go to account. And here you can see my Twitter and Instagram is already connected. But if you want to connect the Instagram and Twitter, you will get the straight option here. And after that, you just need to log in with your Instagram and Twitter accounts, and it will be connected automatically after that. You can also deactivate the account from here. That I will not recommend. Click back. So if you want to edit your bio, you can simply click on your bio. And here you can easily type anything you want. Click done. And this is how you can maintain your profile. You can also click on your profile picture so that you can change it. If you want to share this profile, you can simply click on this and you will get the option to share this profile. In the next of some videos, if I get a response, I will also tell you that how you can get your Clubhouse link so that people can instantly follow you, and you can put that link in your Instagram, LinkedIn or YouTube as well. Let's go to the settings again. Now there are many options available. Let's explore them. So first option is frequency. Click on it. So there are some kind of notification frequency available. You can choose your frequency. It is simply asking you that how much you want to be active on Clubhouse application so that they can send you notification according to it. If you will click on this include trending rooms, it will also include the trending rooms which have high number of users. If you don't want that, you can simply disable it. And then there is an option called pause notification. If you will click on that, you will not get any notification from the Clubhouse application, which is a very good feature. Let's move to the interest option. During the creation of the Clubhouse application, you also choose some interest, behavior and all those things. You can simply edit it here. If you will click on this, you will get the same kind of option you used before and you can edit it. And Clubhouse will automatically recommend you rooms according to it. Click back. Now there are some website links available that you can read. If you want to read that what's new in the Clubhouse application, you can simply click on it. Some FAQs, or you want to contact Clubhouse directly, you can simply click on this. You can click on this. You can also read their community guidelines to be safe. Then terms of services and privacy policy also. So if you want to be log out from your LinkedIn, if you want to be log out from your Clubhouse application, you can simply click on it. So this is how you can easily use the Clubhouse application and get most out of it. I hope that this video is helpful. If it is, please hit the like button. Comment down below if you want to know anything about Clubhouse application or any other tech tutorial. I will be happy to give you information about it. Also, you can join my Clubhouse, which is @Damanjeet. I will see you there, and for that time being, you can subscribe my channel. Please hit the bell notification so that you cannot miss any update about my videos. Thank you.